Let's talk about some stuff that you can run into on projects that could be unforeseen. Let's check it out. On both sides of this property, we're gonna have to make adjustments. You can see right here on this line, we're gonna be saw cutting because they have chain link here. Obviously, we wanna put a block wall to divide these properties to really showcase the work that we've done. So after getting this property and getting everything set up, while we were going through the permitting process, we went ahead and did a survey on this property just to check the property lines. These are tight lots. Houses are really close to each other. They were built in 1920. As we got the property surveyed, we realized this fence, this chain link fence, is actually 6 feet into our property line. So we're gonna have to deal with that because we're gonna be putting a block wall 6 feet high down to the front of the property line. Then it's gonna step down to 3 feet. On the other side of the property, we're actually losing 6 feet. So it's a give and take, if you will. But when you're in a property that was built almost 100 years ago, stuff's gonna happen. So you're just gonna have to roll with the punches and make things work.